The weirdest country in the world? Let's roast it, explore it. Buckle up. Hey there, Globetrotters. Ever wondered which country is officially the weirdest on Earth? Well, today we're packing our bags mentally and teleporting you to a land of mind-bending customs, wacky laws, and a national obsession with elf houses? Stay tuned because by the end of this video you'll either want to move there or run screaming into a normal IKEA store. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our champion of weirdness, Iceland. Yes, the frosty island where volcanoes, glaciers, and people all peacefully coexist unless you offend their invisible neighbors. See, in Iceland, about half the population believes in elves. Not just any elves, we're talking about hidden people who live inside rocks. So if you're planning to build a road, you might have to reroute it because you don't want to disturb elf real estate. True story. Construction projects have literally stopped because of protesting elf enthusiasts. Next up, Icelanders love soaking in hot springs even in freezing blizzards. There's a hot tub on every corner like Starbucks, but steamy. And when it's time to party? Oh boy. Reykjavik's nightlife goes so hard that they have something called the Runter, basically a national bar crawl that starts at midnight and ends when your dignity does. Fun twist, the Icelandic police are famously chill. They post selfies with tourists, rescue drunk people from snowbanks, and share cute dog pictures on Instagram. Imagine getting arrested by an officer who stops mid-arrest to compliment your hat. Hungry? Iceland's national dish is fermented shark meat, it's called. But locals joke it tastes like ammonia marinated in regret. Anthony Bourdain called it the worst thing he ever ate, and that man ate cobra hearts. Luckily, they balance it with the world's best hot dogs. Seriously, hot dogs are a national treasure. Even Bill Clinton lined up for one in Reykjavik. If the former US president eats your hot dog, you know it's legit. Bonus weird fact, there are 0 mosquitoes in Iceland, not one. So while you're stuffing your face with a questionable shark, at least you won't get bitten. Small wins. And don't forget the laws and legends. It's illegal to own a pet reptile here, so your emotional support iguana? Yeah, leave it at home. Plus, they don't have just Santa Claus, they have 13 Christmas trolls called the Yule Lads. Each one has a hilarious personality, like Spoon Licker and Door Slammer. They sneak around during the 13 nights before Christmas, pulling pranks and leaving small gifts. Icelandic kids must be fearless. So there you have it, hot springs, elf highways, fermented shark snacks, and selfie-taking cops. Iceland officially crowned the weirdest country in the world, and proud of it. If you liked this trip into the land of lava and trolls, hit that like button, subscribe for more weird world wonders, and comment below. Which country should we explore next? Stay weird, stay curious, see you next time. Subscribe plus watch next suggestions at History Motion Machine.